Hi guys, today we're cooking. What is that? Adobo.
Chicken.
Adobo.
Chicken adobo, okay?
First, we need garlic, then onion, but
Sweet.
garlic and onion, but I don't want to cut the onion, so I'm
Why?
just gonna, because I think it makes you cry.
Ano pa? Ano pa kailangan? Pepper.
Magic
Cubes.
sarap.
Cubes yan.
Uy, mama.
Oh, cubes yan. Tapos,
Cubes.
what is this?
Yeah.
Chicken. Then,
Oil.
oil.
Okay,
Okay, first.
let's cut the onion.
Oh, hindi ganyan. What you need is, ganito. Then,
Cut it.
no, ganito.
Smash it.
Smash it. Yan.
Then cut it.
Wait lang.
Can I try?
Wait, try here.
Call. Hirap.
Okay, ganyan. Okay, then, oh, balatan mo. Balat. Para mas mabilis. Then, hiwain.
Hirap.
Hindi ka naman, hiwa. Wait, ganyan. Ganito, oh. Oh, next.
No.
Na onion. Okay, mami na lang. Why? Iyak ka dito? Nancy?
Nag-iiyak ka ba dyan?
Okay, done. Next. Then, what's next?
Next. Then it's hot now, so okay, a little bit oil. I think that is enough
More,
oil.
more.
Oil.
More. Ano pa? Wala pa yun.
When that sound comes, put some more oil. Ay, no. Put some oil.
Oh,
Put some.
it's hot na. When it's hot na.
Add the garlic and the onion.
Oh, dandahan. Matagpit sa'yo yan, dandahan. What, you can cook na?
Egg and adobo and rice.
Okay. Wait until it's brown and translucent.
Opo, guys.
Yan.
And then we get
Mamaya
then I get and my favorite part.
put some
Ka.
pepper.
Pepper.
Konti lang, ha?
Can I have?
Yeah, you can have it. Do this.
I want two pepper a slice.
Yan,
Ang
go.
daming pepper.
Kalat mo, kalat. Like this, eh. The more pepper, it's yummy, no? Gawin mo.
Tira.
Ah, be careful kasi. And then put this.
Guys, wait, wash my hands, guys.
Cubes.
Cute, like, but sarap.
Yan, then halo again.
Si Mama.
Like this, oh.
Uy.
Then wait until it's light brown. Okay? Tell it.
Then wait when it's brown.
Light brown.
Light brown.
Okay, let's cover it.
Because it's light brown already, bro.
Hindi pa nga eh.
Because it's light brown, so we made
And
light brown.
Oh, cover it.
Yeah,
Okay. Welcome back.
Okay, bye-bye. I forgot to show this on the intro, so are we gonna
Soy
eat
sauce.
Dati putut.
Kato puti.
Dati putut.
Soy sauce. Oil for
Yeah, the soy sauce. All or no?
Oh, like, two ganito. One. Oh, four.
Is soy sauce yummy?
Oh. Maalat. Three. Like two. One more. Okay, three. Then stir it.
Then stir it. So guys, because I don't want the meatballs, so
Then wait until it's
done.
tender.
Tender.
You put some ano pa pala? Suka. You forget the suka.
Then guys, we're back.
We're back. Oh, put some. Unti lang. Here muna yan.
Should I put some
Unti lang, half lang, half.
Uh-huh.
A little suka. Kasi a little vinegar.
A little vinegar like we did in the last video. We have the egg, so but can I show you right now?
Wag lang na yan.
Wait, staying.
Then put some sugar.
Then put some
sugar.
sugar. Okay.
Then put some sugar.
A lot of sugar,
Ano lang, unti lang.
like this.
Sugar. Put some sugar. Then stir it. Then taste it. Na.
To taste it.
Wait lang yan, maghalo.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
I-check na the meat muna, the chicken. It is, ano na malambot. Then,
Let's First, let's check it when it's cut in half or it's not cut in half. Ooh. Ooh, malambot.
Malambot na.
Ooh. Ooh.
Lambot.
Opo.
And then now, check the taste. You know how to cook na? Adobo?
It's not really that hard.
Okay, you transfer it na then.
You guys, you want to taste, guys? First, you blow it muna. The taste.
Oh, transfer it na.
Wow, wow. Okay. We are gonna transform it.
Uy! One more. Show your adobo na. Show your adobo na.
As we call this, adobro.
Adobro!